Hey everybody, welcome to Kuntree Bwoy's Kitchen. It's your girl TT. Unfortunately, Kuntree Bwoy is out today, so you're stuck with me. Today we'll be making sweet and sour crab legs. All who love crab legs, thumbs up, thumbs up. Anyways, remember to like and subscribe to Kuntree Bwoy Kitchen. Follow me. Boom. Guys, here's my ingredients. These are the seasoning for the crab legs. So I have regular garlic powder, I have Maggi seasoning, I have red pepper, red hot pepper, I have garlic powder, and of course salt. And the most important part, the sauce on. Alright, so that's for the crab legs. And as you see here, I have my Irish potato peeled, clean, washed with my corn already. I'm going to add it to the pot in a little bit. And I have my garlic and my chili pepper. My thyme. To preserve your thyme, it's best to keep it dry, alright? And scallion, a little secret, enough people don't know. I just cut a little regular juice bottle, you see it? Put little water in there and I put my scallions in there and it stayed fresh, look. So these are the old ones and these are the fresh ones. So it stayed, I had this almost 3 weeks now. So you see. Alright guys, that's it. So I'm gonna add some thyme and some scallion to my water on the stove boiling, and then I'm gonna add my garlic and my chili pepper. And then I'm just gonna add my Irish potato and my corn in, and that's it. I'm just gonna let those steam while I season my crab legs. A lot of people don't season their crab legs, but I recommend you season the crab legs because once you season the crab legs, it tastes way better. Alright? And use your seasonings them according to how you feel. Don't be sparing. Use it to how you feel, alright? I'm gonna put a little piece more thyme, a little piece more scallion. Use it up, it's yours. The more natural seasoning, the nicer your pot tastes. Alright? Alright guys, that's it. So let's follow me over to the stove. So on the stove, I had 2 cups of water boiling with 1 tablespoon of salt. And look, I'm gonna add my seasoning in with all of these. Trust me, these are the best part of it. And I'm just gonna let it steam. And then I'm gonna add potato. Guys, look at this color. Pretty. Right? Yeah. Ay, sasan. Lovely color, but we're gonna burn it out soon. Alright, follow me. Alright, look in the pot. You see what I want? The Irish is soft enough, but not too soft. And really and truly, the crab legs take about 9 to 10 minutes to cook. So I'm just gonna pour it in and just mix up everything, alright? This is it. Look at the bottom. Look at guys. Look, just mix it up, just mix it up, just mix it up. And don't worry that you don't have enough water. Remember I told you about the chicken stock? So you can use a chicken stock, right? And if I don't have chicken stock, I'll just boil a little water, add some butter, add scallion, carrot, thyme, celery. I make my own chicken stock too, guys. So you can make your own. You know, we Jamaicans know to improvise. And that's it. Just gonna cover it and let it get some color. You can add your butter later on. I add some butter earlier and I may add some more depending. So again guys, this is me throughout cooking, tasting. Alright, well, add a little bit more Maggi and it's good to go. Or I could add salt, depending, but me like Maggi, so I'm gonna stick to Maggi right now. Guys, I wish I could smell it. Like Kuntree, that's a press that button on your phone, it's a smell phone.
I have a new app. It's called Smellophone. Download it. Nah, you know what, you guys, it's $150.
Nothing I'm going for you. Can't smell this. The corn and the Irish go suck up absorb all the nice flavor. And that's it. I'm gonna try sink my crab legs then. And the steam alone, along with the liquid that's in there, is gonna steam them. Alright, and that's it, guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna add some onion to the pot with sweet pepper. So look. You just add a sweet pepper and that's it. Alright, you don't need to cut them up real tiny, you can just chunk it, and me not like waste nothing, so of course I'm gonna chunk off these and use it. Just cut it off and use it. Alright, they were washed already and clean, and the countertop clean, so don't worry about that. We're gonna go to the pot. Alright, let's go. Ooh, look what's going on, guys. Look what's going on. Nice, right? So I'm just gonna boil it on top. Boil it on top. I should have some red pepper. It'll look pretty, true. And yellow. Rasta color. That's it. And that's it. Okay, you want to eat your sweet pepper and your onion like a veggie. Okay, nice and chunky. That's it. Alright guys, I have my sweet and sour sauce. So you can make your own, you know. But right now I'm going to make the own thing. So I'm going to tell you. All you need is some cilantro, ketchup or tomato paste. You have some oyster sauce, your ginger, your garlic, you use your cornstarch as thickening agent, and your chili sauce. Or you could have grind up your own chili and use it. And you mix up all of that together and you have your own sweet and sour sauce. Sweet and sour chili sauce, alright? So look over here, so follow me. So I poured off the liquid from my pot and I'm gonna have this as soup or broth. And look guys, if I want a little extra liquid back, I can pour it back in there, see? And that's it. And look, here you go. Sweet and sour crab legs. Look how nice and thick it is. The Irish is perfect now, so I don't want to do too much mixing or stirring to crush them out. But that's it guys, that's it. And as I said, if you want a little bit more liquid, you can reuse the liquid that you pour off earlier. And that's it. That's it. Yum yum yum. I love to see the red from the crab legs. Look how beautiful that is guys. Yep, Kuntree Bwoy Kitchen. Remember, like, subscribe. Alright, you let this steam for 1 minute and you're done. I'm literally done. I'm about to turn off the pot. Alright guys, look. It's about the hour. Check. The Irish. See? Go right through. Then cook. Perfect, yeah. Perfect guys. Alright. Alright guys, this is the finished product. Sweet and sour chili crabs. I wish you guys could taste it. Ah, so good. Alright, and look, come over here, so this is my soup water, my broth. Tastes good, flavorful. This can bust any gas like Kuntree say. Alright, now guys, remember to like and subscribe. Follow Kuntree Bwoy on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Alright, be safe out there. Boom, we're out.